Hello and welcome to Clipsmixxx. Hello. Cash register we have today, yes. Oh, who's there? Cookie Monster? What?
Oh, wait.
Oh, Cookie Monster. I can't understand you. Oh, Cookie Monster. Oh, Cookie Monster.
I want this.
Ah, you want this?
Oh, cookies there. Look, yum, yum, yum.
Okay, Cookie Monster. How much is?
Oh, $2, yeah, two.
Okay. Anything else, Cookie Monster?
Oh, no, only cookies. Hop, cookies.
No, Cookie Monster. This is. Oh no, this is my finger. Okay, Cookie Monster. I have for you apple.
Oh, yes, apple.
No. First, you have to pay, and then.
Oh, apple. Very healthy. Apple.
Okay, apple. Okay, anything else? I have for you banana.
Oh, banana, nom. Hop.
Oh, very healthy, Cookie Monster.
Yes, look here. Very healthy. Okay, this is my money.
Oh yeah, thank you. Do you want the card, Cookie Monster?
What? A card? Okay. Take my card. Again. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Cookie Monster. Bye.
Bye.